Ladies and gentlemen, we do welcome you to Brisbane Airport. Local time here just approaching 25 minutes to 8. Temperature outside is currently 27 degrees. For your own safety and that of the guests around you, it is a requirement that you do remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we arrive at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Before you leave us today, we ask you please to check both in the seat pockets and the overhead lockers, ensuring that you do take everything with you. When you are opening the overhead lockers today, please be careful of any items that may have moved throughout the flight that could fall out. Today we'll be disembarking through both the forward and the rear doors. If you are travelling with small children, or if you feel you'd have difficulty with stairs at the back, you're welcome to exit through the front aero bridge. For your own safety, once you've disembarked at the back of the aircraft, please follow the white markings on the tarmac, remain on the outside of the orange markers, following the instructions given by the ground staff to the terminal building. As we'll also be refuelling at this time, it's a safety requirement that all electronic equipment, that includes your mobile phone, remain switched off until you're well inside the terminal. Please also be reminded that smoking is not permitted on the tarmac or inside the terminal building. Well, we do thank you for choosing to fly with Virgin Blue this evening. We do appreciate your business. It's been our pleasure looking after you on board. On behalf of the entire crew, including the flight deck, I'd like to wish you a warm welcome home to Brisbane, or a safe onward journey. We hope you have a pleasant evening, and would like to wish you a very happy new year, and we look forward to seeing you next time you choose to fly. Thank you and good evening.
Cabin crew disarmed doors and cross check.